Let me show you how to remove and replace the lens on any of the DJI Osmo action cameras. So as you see, for example, on this camera, I also have this rubber grip that goes over it. If you want to remove it, it's actually best if you leave the rubber grip on, as it's going to provide you better grip. But yeah, as you see, this lens essentially can simply be screwed off, and you want to screw it counterclockwise. So you see, if you screw it, you can unscrew it. The first time you try it, it will be very stiff, so you simply use a bit of force to do that. And you see, the lens simply comes off. And yeah, to install it back on or to replace it, again you simply screw it back on like this, so clockwise. And make sure it's nice and tight. Again, if you have this rubber ring, I highly suggest to use it with that one. So yeah, with this rubber ring, it's definitely kind of easier to grab it and unscrew it or screw it back on. Okay, like